Hello guys, what is going on? So today we are going to show you how to make your very own custom lock screen. So for that we're obviously going to use a third-party app which is called KLCK. So we're going to Play Store and now we're going to type KLCK. So it's basically a custom lock screen app, and there are a company called Custom Industries that made this app. So you just have to install it. There are two versions. There are a free version and there is a paid version. So if you get the paid version, you will definitely get some benefits. So we're going to show you how to get this for free. So you have to install this and then open it, and then the user interface will come here. And now here you can edit all the stuffs you can, and here is the settings button, and here you can see the lock screen enable. I already enabled my lock screen, load preset, export preset, settings, notification editor. So we're just going to need the load preset. So here are the presets that I have exported. And one thing to let you know, that if you want to export some presets, you are going to need the paid version. The free version does not allow you to export presets. So this is obviously the paid version, and you can choose one from here. This is my lock screen already. So I did not upload my lock screen recently, so I'm just going to go back to my previous lock screen. Oh shit, okay. So this is the lock screen that you can change at anywhere you like. So there are also some featured lock screens, and the installed lock screens are two of these. This is the very simple one. You can change clock and date, text. So here is 8:45, so you can change it to whatever you want, and you can just also remove it like this. Okay, this is removed. Okay, same thing goes for here. We can just also delete this, and this is our lock screen, fully blank, ash colored, nothing, no time, no date, nothing. So that is how you make your own custom lock screen. So now the thing is, can you get some more lock screens from Play Store? And the answer is yes. So you just go to Play Store again and search for KLCK lock screens. And remind that if you want to use some third-party lock screens for your KLCK lock screen, then you must have the KLCK paid version. So there are a lot of stuffs, lot of lock screens. So there is stripes, KWGT and KLCK. So guys, what is KWGT? So if you go to home screen, you will see that I have different widgets than normal. So this is I made with KWGT, and I'll put a video on this next time. So let's just focus on KLCK. So you can just install it, and remember, you need to have the KLCK Pro version for implementing this lock screen. So we have to install it right now, and we have also some more wallpapers and lock screens. So this is the stripes for KWGT paid version, and we have Enovix KLCK, and we have a lot of stuffs, lot of collection of apps. So here we have LMC KLCK. These are the designs that you will get. We have Grace lock screens for KLCK. This really seems good. I did not notice it earlier. Maybe I'll implement it, and I will show you on a full tutorial on how to make your very own custom lock screen. This is just the beginning video, guys. So we have Enovix KLCK. Enovix is also good, as you can see here. So we're just going to stripes that we just installed, and as you can see, this is the KWGT. That means this is the custom widget. We don't need it right now. We need KLCK, and as you can see, there are a lot of lock screens. So here you can just choose one. Okay, let's just load from here. Installed, and there the new screens will appear here. And now you're going to just select on of these, click on save, and I'm just locking the screen right now, guys.